What's going on, guys? Sunday, February 12th. As you can see, we have a little bit of snow on the ground. Been out clearing snow for the past, almost 2 hours. Got most of their run shoveled out. Got about a foot or so over the past couple days. And starting here in 1 hour, at 1 o'clock, it's going to start snowing. And it's not supposed to stop until 10 o'clock tomorrow night. You're supposed to be getting probably a good 2 feet of snow plus. It's kind of like Mother Nature has held off until we got 5 weeks left of winter. She's going to deliver it all right at the last minute. Got the racetrack out for the dogs. Got that shoveled out. They're out running around for a good half hour or so, chasing each other around, doing laps. But we're supposed to have tomorrow, on top of all the snow, 30 to 40 mile per hour winds, gusts up to 60 miles per hour. So there's a good chance that we will be going without power. Got the rest of our wood inside. I'm gonna try to get away without burning a fire tonight. I'll try to save it all for tomorrow. I actually got her car in the garage, so I'm gonna pull mine up over here in this spot, away from the trees, and then also that way give our neighbor plenty of room to bring his tractor and help dig us out tomorrow and Tuesday. So that's where we are, waiting on our nor'easter. Fingers crossed that we don't lose power. We got all of our pots and pans filled up with water, filled up the bathtub, got gasoline, filled up the truck, gas for the snowblower. And that's that. So this storm's gonna hit you guys. Be safe. Hopefully you've taken the proper precautions, got yourself prepared, and sit tight, batten down the hatches, and we'll talk soon. Bye.